Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. Today guys, I have a TCL TV and this is a TCL Android TV and I'll show you how to use your TCL Android TV. Now of course, this is just a basic navigation tutorial if you're new and don't know where to find the basic stuff. Of course, this is my remote and as you can see here, there's quick access buttons down here. You can navigate back, forth, up, down, and of course middle to select. That's very easy. There's always home to easily reach your home in case you are lost. It will bring you back to this home screen here that's in the background. And of course there's the infamous back button here. That's easy to go back. Yours might be a little bit different. There's up and down volume. And of course you can easily access your inputs here. You can turn off the TV. Some of these buttons I don't use. All right, so let me control here. So this is your home screen. You'll be seeing this a lot. It will show here. There's the home at the top. If you want to find your apps, for example, to download, you just go ahead and go to your right. And of course, that's the second tab. And here you can see all the popular apps and what's trending, and of course, games and so on. All right, once you have internet, if you want, you can find the popular ones in that line there. Sorry, that's your apps, I should say. That's the ones, all of these are currently installed on your TV. You can do search right here to find a new app. Make sure that you have internet for this to work. If you're offline, you'll unable to download anything except for those that are pre-installed, which is up there. You can search by category. So for example, let's say I'm searching for a game. I'd try to find the video games section. If I'm searching for something in sports related, I'd go to the category and it will filter these. See that there's so much. If you know the direct name, go ahead and search. All right, you can always hit home button to go back home. This is your home as indicated by the tab. On your home, they will show Prime Video or whatever, Netflix or whatever is the main app you're using here. Usually these will cycle through based on what you have installed. It might be Netflix or some other video service, but it will show some of the popular stuff. Signing into a very popular app should be able to put it front and center. However, it doesn't really matter. All right, if you use YouTube, your YouTube videos will continue down here. You'll find other stuff down here, such as your TCL stuff. These are just other apps again, similar to the App Store on the home screen. All right, so your library will contain your purchases based on your Android use. All right, so if you're on the home, you can always hit the home button, as I said, to return home. From here, you can quick access all of your apps. Anything that's installed usually appears here. At the end of the list, you can reorder your list or add apps. All right, if you want to go to your settings to control what's happening on your TV, you can always go over to your extreme right and go here. You'll see quickly your notifications. You'll see inputs, such as to switch between HDMI inputs. You can go to screensaver, picture, Wi-Fi, accessibility, or you can go to all settings. This is your all settings menu. It's very robust, so you can go through. You'll find more settings here. If you want to set up your TV for the first time, usually set it up at the home screen. However, when you're just installing your TV, but of course, if you miss something, most of what you need in terms of time and date is on the system. You can control language here, your date and time, and just some basic setup stuff. Just in case you missed it at setup or you want to change something, notice the language is there. And notice the time and date in case you want to adjust something in time and date in case it's wrong. All right, so if you do all of these, this is your home screen again, and of course it's quite straightforward. Knowing this basic stuff should get you I would say more than 50% of what you need to do on your TV. So you can go ahead as usual and check out YouTube. That's one of the popular uses, or Disney or so on. If you don't have stuff like Netflix, it's always installed, seeing Netflix is so popular, but let's say you're using another streaming service, you can go to your apps and download that. But usually Netflix and Prime Video and Disney and so on are the popular ones, or YouTube, so you can get started. Do recommend YouTube, seeing that that's super popular and you're most likely watching this video on YouTube. All right, so I'll end the tutorial here. Do hope this was useful, and as always guys, Ricardo saying bye until next time, and see you next one. Bye.